Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get Citibank statements online. So the first thing that you'll need to do, of course, is simply go and log in into your account. Of course, you can go to simplycity.com, hit the enter button, and make sure to go and log in into your account using your user ID and password. If you don't have an account, click on register and make sure to start creating your account. So once you're logged in, of course, how to get your Citibank statements online. So as you can see, you have here e-statements and e-notices. So access your e-statements and e-notices with this City mobile app or City online wherever you are. So you can use it or do it on a mobile app or even in the web app browser. So as you can see here, tap into the convenient e-statements. You can access up to 7 years worth of statements, keep track of spending and incoming account repayments, and view and download your statement. So how to access them? If you are on the app, all you need to do just log in into the app on your phone, go to profile, then hit the settings icon. You will find it at the top left of your home screen. Tap statements under account settings and choose your account. Nominate a time period and the app will show your statements as a PDF, which you can download if you need. If you want to use it or do it in the web browser, all you need to do just sign in to the City Online as we showed you before. Go to services from the top menu, click on my profile, enter your OTP when prompted, of course, and they will send you the OTP to your phone number. Click or select the statements and notices on the left hand menu. Click on view and download statement. Choose your account that you would like to see the statements on for what time period. Then click on download to download them. And that's how you get the statement online. So that's going to be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.